guys, welcome back to my channel. A lot of you guys have been requesting me to review this app known as Sell at Cost. This app is becoming really popular, taking over the internet day by day. If you don't know already, Sell at Cost is a Chinese website which claims to give products at really economical price, and they claim to have the cheapest price of the products that is available on the market. Now in today's video, I'm going to be giving you my honest thoughts and reviews about this app, and also I'm going to take you through the products that I have placed an order for. But before we do so, you guys know what you have to do. Go ahead and subscribe to my channel if you're not part of my YouTube fam already, and also make sure you follow me on my Instagram page. I post a lot of content related to fashion, beauty and lifestyle that you would certainly love. Now let's get started. Now, as I was telling you, Sell at Cost is this Chinese app which has got products like clothing, household stuffs, accessories, bags, and the list is practically endless. And to top it all, prices are really low. What I'm going to be doing here today is compare the prices of the products that I have selected with none other than Cloth Factory. This website is still not launched, and it is going to be launched a few days after 26th February. But you guys know what? You can certainly go ahead and check the app out and download the app already. It's available on Google Play. But if you are an iPhone user, then you can certainly check out the website link. And since you cannot place the order right now, what you can do is wish list the products that you like. And once the website is live after 26 Feb, you can certainly go ahead and place your order. Yay! I am going to definitely leave app links for Android and iPhone users in the description box below. So go ahead and check it out. Now coming to this video. Now as I told you guys, Sell at Cost is a Chinese app which sells products at the cheapest price. How they do it? They actually do a lot of research and data analysis, and through the help of artificial intelligence also, what they do is keep a track of the prices of the products in other websites as well, and they try to give you the products at the least price through their app. So the products are available at a really economical price. The product prices starts from as low as 2 rupees. Yes guys, and I am not kidding, because if you see this product right here, it's a scrunchie. These scrunchies are really popular. Even if you try to get hold of these scrunchies in street shops, then also you will find that these are not less than 5 rupees, but here you are getting it at 2 rupees. At the same time, if you compare the price on Cloth Factory, it is quite high, right? So there you see that the prices are as low as 2 rupees, which is like insane. I haven't come across an app which sells pieces at as low as 2 rupees. Also guys, one more thing I would like to add here is during the checkout, the prices will be a little bit different than what the actual price of the products are at the checkout, because they do apply shipping and tax. But don't you worry, the prices are still going to be way lesser than other websites. Since I was approached by this website, they asked me to review this app for you guys. So yeah, that's what I'm doing right now. But I haven't yet received the product, but I'm showing you here all the products that I have gone for, opted for, and have placed an order. But obviously the products are going to reach me later, and as soon as I receive the products, I'm definitely going to be doing a haul video to show you the quality and everything. So yeah, right now I am going to be showing you the product price difference of those products on Cloth Factory as well as Sell at Cost. The next product is this one. And again, the prices, as you can see, one by one, the prices are way cheaper at Sell at Cost. The products are identical, but the prices are so very low at Sell at Cost. So I am really impressed. So guys, as you can see, not only one or two, but all the products that I got from Sell at Cost are way cheaper and inexpensive than Cloth Factory. So yeah guys, those were all the products that I have placed an order for, and for a shopaholic like me, it's very difficult to control. So yeah guys, if you like any of the products that I have shown you here, or if you want to check out Sell at Cost, go ahead and do so. I'm sure you're going to love it, and let me know you guys in the comment section which was the product that you guys like and what you are planning to check out at Sell at Cost. I love you guys so much. I'll be back very soon with yet another interesting video. Bye.